my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching.
I just straight away give me question to relax. Front lat spread. Relax. Side chest with your calf muscle. Relax. Back double riser with your hamstring and calf muscle. Relax. Back lat spread. Relax. Side rise ups. 60 kg category final call stage கீழ வந்துருங்க. 60 கிலோ கீழ வந்து எடுத்துருங்க. Relax. Front abdomen and thigh muscle. Relax, relax. Thank you. Thank you. All of you please go back. Stand according to channel 14. 179. Get closer. Pakkamanel. Judges very pressure போடுங்க. Get closer. Pakkamanel. சேர்ந்து நில்லுங்க. பைடிச்சுக்காம நில்லுங்க. Front double biceps. Relax. Tight. Relax. Back double biceps. Relax. Back side, sorry, front abdomen thigh muscle. Thank you, bodybuilder. Thank you. Please join your line. 4. Come forward. 14, 15. Front double biceps. Very push up for that. Judges. Relax. Side chest. Relax. Back double biceps. Relax. time is it? Relax. Thank you. The best of 10. Tank number 9. Vijay from SK Fitness. Thank you. 5th place in this category goes to tank number 11. Vishwa from A1 Classic 4. Annamalai from Unique Fitness. Unique Fitness Jalagandavaram. Thank you. The bronze medal in this category goes to tank number 15, C. Suresh from H&D Fitness. Pudurod. Bronze medal, merit certificate, 2,000 rupees cash award. Cash check panni kuduthiruppa. And bodybuilder statue. Animal protein cafe valangum 1 kilo food supplement. Thank you. Bronze medal in this category, silver medal in this category goes to tank number 14, M. Madhavan from Universal Gym. Silver medal, merit certificate, 3,000 rupees cash award, and bodybuilder statue, animal protein valangum 1 kg food supplement. Thank you. The gold medal goes to tank number 4, P. Marundu from Asian Gym.